When I think of our partnership and improving our efficiency, C.H. Robinson, they provide us a great redistribution and managed freight solution. So C.H. Robinson helped optimize the flow of goods into our distribution network and really drive down unnecessary costs for Bloomin Brands.
C.H. Robinson has helped deliver efficiency with Navisphere and be giving us insights into data analysis so that we can go back to our distributors and have productive conversations. So with the distributors getting more efficient, that in turn makes our entire business more efficient, and great partnership.
One of our big initiatives coming into the relationship with C.H. Robinson was visibility, was just that. We, as a brand, I've been with the brand with Qdoba for 6 years, and from day one, I knew coming into it that we didn't have the visibility. Yes, we brought in some data systems like Aerostream, but C.H. Robinson takes that to another level, right? So if our freight, as an example, it's coming from a supplier getting into our DCs, right? We don't know how that happens. We didn't know how that happens. So they would use sometimes forward storage that we never knew about. There were all these added costs in the system that we weren't able to take out. And we're still going through this. But with C.H. Robinson, we're able to now see that full picture, right? And we're not 100% there yet, right? Because there's still suppliers that we're working with and working through this process, but we're able to know how our product, whether it's queso, chips, produce, whatever it is, actually gets to that customer, right? To our guest. So they've been integral in being able for us to do that.
It was definitely a misorganization, insights, data analysis, and just really kind of the wild, wild west of our data integrity. So C.H. Robinson was able to come in and put the pieces together, give us a strong platform, give us a strong timeline and project management team to allow us to succeed in the space.
Yeah, I think it's multi-tiered, right? It's this notion of scope, so the number of services that you guys provide, the scale that you bring to the table within each one of those services, the technology component. You guys are best in class from a technology perspective. But lastly, and perhaps even most importantly, is the people side of it. Your team is really dedicated, they care, and they do whatever they can to service our business.
When looking for a logistics partner, we're looking for a partner who could improve our resiliency and improve our efficiencies. C.H. Robinson came in and they optimized their supply chain network. They offered us competitive freight solutions. And really, they were a trusted partner to help us navigate the many challenges we face in this uncertain world.
We really started our relationship with Robinson Fresh. So it was a produce-led initiative, and we expanded that to all of our different brands. But based on that relationship and the results that we were getting, we then moved to a relationship on the transportation side and got good results on the transportation management component of it. And so the third component that we entered into was redistribution relationship.
Definitely with the resources, the scale, and just having resources all across the entire country around North America gives us a competitive advantage. All of our supplier bases are spread out across the entire country, so we do a lot of dedicated contract, intermodal, spot market, LTL, so just having that diverse platform has given us a huge competitive advantage.
For us, C.H. Robinson is a blend of service and savings, right? So we've got to find that right blend. So we're not always focused 100% on cost savings, but it's a big piece of the solutions. So just from a freight perspective alone, in 2 years working with C.H. Robinson, we've saved over $3 million, right? For a brand of our size, 800 restaurants, growing, that's a huge factor for us to be more attractive from a food cost perspective. We've had record food costs in the past year. So it's been a thing that has really helped us bring in new franchisees, open new restaurants, right? So it's a major factor in that. And then really the biggest thing is the service side of things that, you know, like I was saying earlier, they're one-stop shop, so it makes it easier not just for our team, but also, you know, so from that side of service, but also for our restaurants. We're able to get our products there and service the ultimate guests, the customers, right? So C.H. Robinson has been able to do that for us and enable us to do those different things.
At Bloomin Brands, we have like several principles and beliefs. One of them is being fun. And I would say that genuinely, we enjoy the people we work with at C.H. Robinson every day. It's fun when you get to enjoy the people you work with.